Kumusta? Kumusta? Welcome to the J. Aruga Show podcast, the first conservative podcast in the Philippines. We're protecting the Filipino family from woke ideology. Every now and then sa ating Facebook page, kapag nagpo-post tayo about anything, about sex work, yung pinag-usapan natin last time dun sa Tony Gonzaga interview, ay merong magto-troll sa atin at ibe-bring up ang clergy abuse sa Catholic Church. And this has been discussed long ago. I think gumawa ako ng episode nito before. I talked about it already. Pero, okay, let's give it another shot. Pansinin natin ang nag-comment. Pero I'm sure this will not be the last time I'll talk about this issue. When the sex abuse scandal of the Catholic Church is brought up sa isang discussion, it is always meant to discredit the church sa ating mga moral claims. Yun lagi ang goal. Ginawa na ito ni Duterte, di ba? Naalala nyo? Ito yung laging hinahammer ni Duterte. Ginawa na din ito ng ilang mga anti-Catholics. Mostly, ginagawa din ito ng mga atheist. And when you see this sa mga FB pages, first, what we need to do, ako at least on my part, I acknowledge that this really happened. This is a sad and shameful part of our history that some priests and even some lay people hindi nila na nalabanan ang kanilang largely homosexual urges and pedophilic, minor attracted person inclinations. May mga iba nagulat nung pinost ko yung term na minor attracted persons. Hindi nila natanggap ang memo that some of their fellow leftists are already stigmatizing this term, this inclination as just one of those many sexual orientations that one could have. But that's beyond the scope of this episode. Maybe someday pag-usapan natin ito. I advocate for the incarceration of priests and even the Pope if they commit sex abuse. I advocate for them going to jail. And kung sakaling ang Papa man ang gumawa nito, then magiging silang katulad ni na Trillanes, De Lima, halos host na ginagawa ang kanilang public roles sa presinto. Wala tayong magagawa. Siya ang Santo Papa, pero you need to do your role sa presinto. Ngayon, what else can we say about this sex abuse allegation? And this might sound like a whataboutism fallacy, but the sex abuse problem is not just a Catholic problem. There have been a myriad of studies and papers documenting the sex abuse in public schools in the US. So, here's a news from CBS. Oversight failures allow sexually abusive teachers to quietly move from school to school. Mukhang familiar. Parang nakita natin ito noon. And ito i-share ko sa ating show notes. This is a synthesis of existing literature ng lahat ng mga sex abuse studies sa US. And titingnan lang natin ang mga title ng mga studies na ito. So, magsasample lang tayo ng few. Ito, ex-teacher charged in sex abuse. Ito yung mga reference dito sa study. Northeast Corner confronts an overload of abuse. Gym teacher molested 4 girls. And napakarami. I'll share this in the show notes of the podcast. Pero ito, sa public school ito, alam niyo ba na hindi lang sa Catholic Church problema ang sex abuse crisis? Meron ding matatagpuan na sex abuse. And dapat nga ginagamit kong term is SA dahil may iba who were victims of SA. Sorry medyo halfway na sa episode ng podcast bago ko na-realize na dapat SA pala ang ginagamit kong term. May ibang mga victims ng SA who might be listening to this show and send me an email. I'll give you I'll pray for you. I'll keep you in my prayers. My email address can be seen in the jarugashow.com. So, once nag-subscribe kayo doon, I'll send an automatic response, then send me an email. I'll keep you in my prayers. So this is from the Jewish community, SA, in the Orthodox Jewish community, a literature review. Aside from that, meron din silang problema naman sa Jehovah's Witnesses community. Children of Jehovah's Witnesses submit report detailing SA. And meron ding problema sa ito sa Protestant community. Over 2,000 people abused in German Protestant church, according to one study. The reason that this is prevalent is because this is really not just a Catholic problem, but a human problem. This is because we're fallen creatures. And sadly, this has to happen in this life. We need to fight this, of course, just like fighting every other kind of evil in this world. And di ko alam kung anong solusyon dito. But of course, lagi natin sinasabi, prayers help. And I think, if anything, sa Catholic Church, we have made a lot of measures para labanan ang scandal na ito. Even nung time pa ni Pope Benedict, up until the time of Pope Francis. Nung lumabas yung Vigano issue and the McCarrick scandal, nagtawag ang Santo Papa ng mga cardinals and ng bishops sa Vatican para finally magkaroon ng measures and solid na procedures ang simbahan para labanan ang crisis na ito. I don't know if in this lifetime finally magkakaroon ng 0 cases of abuse, but let's pray for the church, let's pray for the priests. Yun naman ang hinihingi nila. And kung meron mang kaso, let's tell them sa authorities. Hindi naman bawal na isumbong sa pulis ang mga kaso ng sex abuse. As far as I know, hindi pinagbabawal ng simbahan ito. And natuto na ang simbahan, hindi na kagaya ng dati na i-resolve muna within the confines of the church ang altercation. Right now, I think the measure is to have authorities deal with an abusive priest. Okay, so yan lang muna. I hope this is helpful. Kung nakikinig kayo sa YouTube or sa Spotify or sa Apple, I'd appreciate if you share this episode and subscribe as well. Dahil karamihan sa mga nanonood ng The J. Aruga Show sa YouTube, when I looked at the analytics, ay hindi pa subscribe sa channel. So please subscribe. Yun lang. Okay, this has been another episode of The J. Aruga Show. At the end of the day, it will be night. Goodbye. Hi, this is Jay Aruga of the Jay Aruga Show. If you like what you just saw, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. We'll need all of your help to take back the culture from this ideological colonization of the West. Thank you. Woke corporations doing the works of the devil are well-funded. What do you do to support the spread of the gospel and the fight against wokeness? Take a stand and support our work by grabbing the J. Aruga Show's Take Back the Culture t-shirt available at the Arugaan online shop in Shopee. Because it takes a village to take back the culture.